Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making Maine potato candy. Now this is basically like Mounds, if you've ever had those, or Almond Joy. Although this recipe doesn't have the almond, you can easily adapt it to make your own homemade Almond Joy by adding an almond on top. So to begin we need 3/4 of a cup of cold mashed potatoes. We don't want these mashed potatoes that have milk or butter in it, so just plain potato is all you need for this. To that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. Next we're going to combine our mashed potatoes with 4 cups of confectioner's sugar. So once the mashed potatoes are nicely combined with that confectioner's sugar, we're going to go ahead and add 4 cups of sweetened shredded coconut. And we're going to mix these all together until they're nicely combined. And then we're going to put this in a aluminum foil lined glass baking dish. And we're just going to spread this out so it's about 1 inch thick. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight, let it chill. Now we're back, and I'm just going to cut our candy into about 1 inch logs here. They're about 1 inch wide and 2 inches long. And if you wanted to make this into almond joys, you can put an almond on top of our coconut mixture. But for this recipe, I'm going to leave that out and just make them like Mounds. After I cut all of our candy into our logs, I'm going to put these in the freezer. And I like to just chill these for about an hour in the freezer, and that just really helps the chocolate up when we coat them. Next we need about 1 pound of chocolate. We're just going to melt this over a double boiler. We're going to take our candy and we're just going to drop 1 piece in the chocolate to coat it and take it out, and then put it on some parchment lined baking sheet and let the chocolate set up. And here's the finished product. Maine potato candy, aka homemade Mounds. Hope you enjoy. If you like this recipe, remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.